All right, we want to talk to you a little bit about the differences in the installation of apps and extensions for students versus teachers. Students do not have full access to the web store like teachers do, and it's important that you understand their limitations and what can be done if there is something you would like to make available to them. So, first of all, you go to the same place, the web store. You can go to the apps launcher, you can Google web store. Open web store, and you'll notice when the web store loads it defaults to the 4vbstudents.com domain, and that is the only place that students can install apps or extensions. And just like the VB Schools domain for the recommendations we give to teachers, you can't tell at first glance if these are apps or extensions. So you have to literally click on it. I see this is an extension underneath of, in the description underneath of the picture. If I click on Google Keep, I can see that this is an app. And sometimes that's important because some of these will have apps and extensions. Now, if kids start looking around at the games, the themes, or they want to do some research for a specific app or extension, the web store is still open in terms that they can look at the descriptions, see reviews, and that's kind of important because we can always add other apps and extensions as you deem necessary if you're vetting them. And we'll talk about that request process a little bit later. But I just want to show you what it looks like for students. So let's say a student decides they want to add a game. They click on the game, add to Chrome, the usual process they would go through, and they'll get an oops error. This is blocked by the administrator. So if you're looking over their shoulder and you see there's an app that they really need and you think is legitimate and you're seeing this error, that's something that you can request be added but is not currently available to students.